Hello everyone. Well, it's a new day. Got a lot to do in very little time. They're calling for high winds and a lot of rain today, so I'm wanting to try to get some stuff done before that happens. I've got the conduit put in. If you saw the last video, I was waiting on the power company to approve that. They've approved it, so we're good to go. Out here where we're building, there's not been internet, but luckily the utility or the electric company is running fiber. So I'll be able to get fiber internet, but they have provided me with the wire, and it's in a little conduit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down in the trench and get it stubbed out. And then from where it's stubbed out, I dug up here the other night, and I'll put a little of that in here. But I've hit a rock about right here, about 4 foot short of where it'll stub up to come inside my building. So I rented a jackhammer, try to get in there and break that loose. Anyway, they're calling for that rain in about an hour. I'm gonna roll this in the ditch, and then I brought my raincoat, so I'll probably be jackhammering in the rain. Let's hopefully it don't blow us away. Brantley's gonna have to practice his spraying. Right on over here. Right there, get you one, and then right here at the end. That's good. Okay, good job. Move your foot. Really looks like a drunk man trying to paint a line. Go ahead. All right, I think he needs to work on his spraying skills. You're a little rusty, even though
Never done it.
Never done it before. If you got a bunch of string rolled out and you want to roll it up and keep it pretty tight, find you a cardboard core tube, but start it on it. But this one's about too small, so it's busted out on me. But all you got to do is roll it up, and you can work it side to side. There you go. Time saver. Well, I've got the line dug up here to the building, and I'm just bringing it underneath where the slab's going to be. So that blue line right there, if you can see it, somewhere right in there. If you look across here, right here is the end of my trench. So right here, and I've hit a rock right there that is solid, like about 4 feet. And I've been wrestling, trying to break this rock up for the last 30 minutes. So the saga continues with these rocks. I'm getting sick of them. All right, got the fiber in the ditch. That's ready to be covered up. I got to straighten it up in a place or two. I've kind of hid it underneath that conduit with as many rock as I've got. I just don't like the idea of piling that rock down there on that fiber cable, which it's in a conduit. But I've kind of got it hid under that conduit to sort of take that blunt force off of it if a rock does were to hit it. So on to the next project at hand. We got to continue our ditch up to the building, and we got to get a rock out of the way. here comes the rain. Well, if you read in the Bible, it says to build on the rock, not sinking sand, so hey, we're building on the rock, that's for sure. Well, I had to make a little wardrobe change. Weather has got here. I got to get this rock out of this creek so I can get my conduit down in here. So, luxury of Gore-Tex, it'll keep you pretty dry. So I'm gonna try to wrestle this rock out of this ditch. I say when we drill the holes for these posts to go on this building, it'll be fun. We're gonna keep working. Don't need to bore you with sitting here scratching around like a chicken in a pen, so we'll keep working. Hopefully we can get it out there. Well, the rain and the rock did not win. I think we got it busted out and broke up back here as far as we needed to go. We're going to build a building where we're standing and there'll be a concrete pad. I'm going to finish 24 feet of it in this building, so that wall will come right here. I can bring my conduit up and tie my meter in right here. So that's the reason I brought it where I did. Got the fiber optic cable in the ground. That's where we'll have our junction box out there, so we'll have internet and cable. I got to set the pad and then run 2 more pieces of conduit out there where our transformer box will be. One will go to the house, one will come here. But pretty productive day to seeing how it was as messy as it was. But time is limited, so you gotta get it. So I don't have much of a choice. But if you watched, I appreciate it, and had some people subscribe. Surprising, but hey, if you subscribed, I appreciate it. And if you've not and you want to come along for the ride, subscribe and we'll take you. But anyway, I'll take you down the hill. A couple of the projects we've worked on are French drains and some prior videos trying to handle some of this water. I'll take you down the hill and show you a quick update on that. But hey, appreciate you watching. We'll catch you later. A little update on a couple of our projects we've done here in the last month or so. We put a French drain in to try to take care of this water going down the pond, because it's a little old stream of water that comes down through all the time. But our French drain comes in here and then goes underneath our dam, and then it's tile, got 2 4-inch tile all the way down the pond. This will get backfilled. We didn't get to it before, obviously the weather's just turned bad on us. But anyway, this will be backfilled, and then we'll grade that to where any surface water will run on down through there, because we're getting a lot of water, you can see, coming off the hill. But it seems to, our little dam, and that seems to be working. I'll show you a little French drain we put above the driveway. We've got a trickle of water going in it, and we're not getting any washing across the road either. So I think they're a success. But we're catching water. There she comes. Hey, I think she's working, baby. Here's the drain I was talking about. You can see I've got the bigger rock versus my driveway. But versus having a ditch or a swale here, I just graded it down level with a gradual fall. Then I've got a French drain that comes through here, and it goes, ties into a solid pipe here, and goes down there where we were at. Well, that water's coming out. So it's catching the water, and you can see I don't have anything washing across my road.